everyone, and welcome to SweeTings. This is my first official full video, so I am happy that you guys are watching. Stay tuned and watch the process. Watch me dip the strawberries and put this whole letter B box together. Today we are making a letter B box for a happy birthday. And these are the supplies that we need. We need our coloring, our sprinkles, our chocolate, our glass because they will be infused strawberries. These are little decorations for the box, Steelers theme, and the pipettes for the alcohol. Over here I have my toothpicks. I have my styrofoam for my dipping my strawberries, and let's get started. All right, so we are going to start by coloring the white chocolate blue. I'm going to use my Elite color from the Sugar Art in ice blue. And I'm just gonna put a dash of this, and we are going to mix it in. We see how that is turning a light blue. I'm going to put a dash more. And we're just going to repeat this until we get the color that we would like. I might add some of my Chef Master blue just to darken it up a bit. So that is still a light blue. So now I'm going to go in with my Chef Masters and do, it's about 2 drops. All right, it's darkening up. I'm going to put 1 more drop. Then we are going to make our yellow. Make sure you scrape the sides so all of the chocolate can be mixed. We are going to start by placing the toothpick into the berry. And we are gathering up the leaves. And shake the excess off. Now we can flip it upside down and just tap. Flip it upside down and just tap so everything can come out evenly. If you see any air bubbles, we're going to go ahead and pop it with a toothpick. And tap again.